D'Alessio here, back with another Teaching Tuesday, and today we're going to be focusing on swaying and sliding, which is very common across, all if not most golf swings, right? So basically the sway and the slide, the sway is when we kind of do this and our body leans away from our target, and now it's pretty tough to turn back into here and getting everything center and being square over the golf ball, right? So what do? We're here. You slide this way to get over the golf ball again, right? But now that's going to cause different maneuvers and different kind of shot shapes and things that we're not really looking for in that regard. So a drill that I like to do to kind of help me focus more on turning as opposed to swaying and sliding, try hitting some shots with your feet together, okay? So when you do this, this is really going to help you turn and turn. And it doesn't need to be a full swing at the start, because this is pretty tough for anybody to swing with their feet together. You don't really have a big range of motion, which is okay. So if you need to, go half and half. So think while you're doing this though, when you turn back, your back is facing the target, and when you turn through, your chest is facing the target, okay? So if you try to sway or slide, you probably know what's gonna happen. If I sway this way, I'm off balance on this leg. And if I slide forward, same thing. I'm going to fall over each side. So this is really teaching you, turn back, turn through. Back to target, chest to target. Okay, so hopefully this drill can kind of help you out in turning and turning full through towards the target.